In front of me I've got Realme 9. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change between light and dark mode, enable or disable auto switch, between sunset to sunrise or custom. Then we can change brightness level of the display manually or enter enable or disable auto brightness. Next, we can adjust screen color mode between Vivid, Natural, Pro mode, Cinematic and Brilliant, and then we can change screen color temperature between warmer, default or cooler. Then we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, and change screen color temperature between cool and warm. Also, we can change display effects between color and black and white. Then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change screen auto off time between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, change screen refresh rate between auto, high and standard, 90 Hz and 60 Hz, and then we can select front camera display by app to auto adapt, show front camera or hide front camera, and full screen display by app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.